Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can quickly create a logo for your site. So if we go to the site, right now we're seeing just this text, and if you go in customize, in this header section area, click on header. On the right side you will see logo image, and if you click select image, it gives you the ability to upload an image. If you click on this free images tab, there is some images here you can get, but most of these images are just pictures and stuff that probably you do not want for your logo. So what we are going to do is we are going to use a different site to quickly get a logo. So it's called canva.com. So I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with canva.com. I have a free account, a lot of stuff you can just get free, and then there's some other stuff that you will have to pay for. So I'm already logged in. You will see right here it says logo. I'm going to go into logo category, and you will land on this page. And in here you can look at the logos. They have different categories in here. You can just glance over this, or probably much easier, you can just type in, say, I will search for apparel, and you see this pro logos. These you'll have to subscribe to the paid account, but you should be able to find something free in here. Like you can see, this is a free logo, this is a free logo. You hover over and you can see. So I'm going to pick this logo here. It's free, so you click on it. It opens up this bigger version of it. Here you can change the text if you want to. You can move images around. They're all on different layers. You could even like make some modifications. Maybe you didn't want this red dot in here, you could totally just delete that and save this. So I'm going to undo that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to modify the text in here. I will just delete this part. Now of course you have to align this, which is really easy. You can see that line that tells you you're aligning to the top, or you're aligning right in the center. So that's where I will leave this. That's it. I am happy with this right here. This download button on top, you can just click that. It will open up this drop down with a few options in here, and PNG is usually a good choice. You can just select that, and there's a couple of other options down here. So again, some of these things might not be available with a free trial, but if you pay for the account, then you can take advantage of all these other options. So what I'm going to do for now is just download this. Okay, so it's downloaded to one of my folders, downloads folder, and I am gonna go back into the site. So in here we go into customize, back in the header, select image. I will go in here, upload an image, and here is the logo we downloaded. I will select that, and you can see our logo shows up right here. One thing I do want to mention is that this debut theme, the logo area that is here, the height and just the dimensions of this area, every logo might not fit in here and look good, so you have to be a little picky with, you can try some different logos and see which one works well. And if you're really picky about your logo, you could hire some freelancer to create your logo. There's a couple of sites out there like Fiverr.com. There's another site, Upwork.com, where you can hire freelancers for cheap. So they can play around with the styling of this area and try to fit in a logo with any dimensions that you like. So that's it for this video. We already have a logo showing on the site, and I will catch you in the next video.